Hey, Nick, do you have a hot cup of Joe ready for me?
Oh yeah, I was just messing with you. You just got punked by your barista.
Love this coffee.
And I love you, Kurt Cobain. Go kill him.
Come as you are. As a friend. You know, you're probably the best personal barista I've ever had.
Really? Thanks, man. But you know, I'm nothing without you. I mean, who's a barista without a quality celebrity to brew some quality brew for? I mean, honestly, you're Kurt Cobain. You're the best rock star in the entire world. Woo!
You know, it is pretty good to be Kurt Cobain right now.
Yeah, it is. Almost too good.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't know how to say this, but it's almost like you guys have peaked. I mean, think about it. What other Seattle bands have released a song like Smells Like Teen Spirit? I mean, most of them can't even do that in their entire careers, and you've already done that. So, I mean, I don't know how to say this, but I think it might be all downhill from here.
I don't want to be a one-hit wonder.
And you won't. You won't. As long as you do something else to get people to remember you by. Something big. Or else you'll just be that guy that wrote Smells Like Teen Spirit.
Suddenly, it's not so good to be Kurt Cobain.
It's alright, man. Go get some rest. Good show. Dave, what's going on? Kurt killed himself last night. He's dead, Nirvana's dead, and Coffee's out of style, Seattle. Get out of here, Nick! Hey, so I think I'm gonna have to move back in with you, Mom. Yeah, I know. I don't have a job anymore. Aunt Jane? Well, I guess I could move and live with her in Texas. What? She lives in England now? But they have the coffee bin there. Oh, there is no way that I'm moving to England.
Hey man, you got any coffee here? Just one sip.
Sorry, it's illegal, so we don't sell it here.
Come on, I have this nice bean here. It's made up, man. Just made. Right.
Okay. Aunt Jane, what are you doing?
I'm calling the cops on you, you coffee fiend!
Kurt Cobain?
Yes, it's me, the ghost of Kurt Cobain. I'm here to help you break out of jail.
Oh. Hey, I'm really sorry for all that stuff that I said to you.
Don't worry about it. I actually found Nirvana.
Oh. And how's that going for you?
It's not great. Anyway, we need to get back to the matter at hand. We need to teach the English our ways.
What do you mean?
Never stop playing these songs.
You're free to go.
What?
They lifted the ban on coffee after listening to the great art of Nirvana. You also have a visitor.
Sweet.
Hey Nick.
Hey.
I'm really sorry about getting mad at you because of Kurt's death. Even if he wouldn't have talked to him, he probably would have killed himself.
Yeah, probably.
So I'm forming a new band. New bands need coffee, so I was wondering.
Say no more.